How to delete Chrome history on your laptop. So I will show in this video. Let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's go on my browser. So guys, here you can see this is my browser. So I'm using Chrome browser, and guys, there is a two type of history which save in your computer. First, which save on your browser, and another save on your account, Gmail account or Google account. Okay, so I will show you one by one. So first, let's see the browser history. Click on this three dot, go to the history, click on history, and here you can see all your search history. Okay, so just click on clear browsing history. There are two type of history, which is basic. In basic, you will see the two or three option: browsing history, cookies and other data, and caches image. But come to the advanced, there is a more option, which is you can clear caches image, password, also save password, autofill data, everything. Okay, so from here you have to select the date range, time range. You can delete last 7 days history, or you can delete all time. So if you want to delete basic Chrome browser data, just click on basic, select all, and click on clear. It will be clear. If you want to delete everything, just select everything from here at once and clear, and select the date range all and clear data. So this is for your browser history. But in Google account also, you there is a option where Google save your activities, or you can say the history. So how you can find out? First, you have to log in with your Google account. Now go to the my Google activities, search here, and you will see the first link, official Google activities, Google site. Just click on it, and here you can see Google activities, and here you can see your all activities about your web app, whatever use, whatever web or app you use, your location history, your YouTube history, everything you can see here. So you can delete it by clicking on this delete activities by. So you can delete from last hours, last day, all time you can delete. Just select all application, or you can skip, just untick it and click on next. Okay, you can delete one by one if you want, by date or individual also. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.